Welcome to inzziyon. How are you? Today we're talking about Winlator Ludashi version 2.7.3 and there's a here new update. But if you're new here, then subscribe the channel and follow me on Instagram. Firstly, you seeing Ludashi 2.73 and there's a some bugs fix what is new. There's a first is X server display remove a seemingly unused function and merge pull request. There's related for developer, don't think about much. And third is a prefix style package name collisions. I don't about this, what is that? And and this is a fixed dxpx sum compare with a string equality bugs. This is a dxpx driver is sometime provide most of the time provide issue in Winlator. Solve this issue. Basically there's small fixes string equality bug fix. Well, it is fine. And there's a fixed crash with a prefix were names. Okay, not so much update, but it is good and fine. Okay, now we have a three apk like Bionic vanilla and Ludashi Bionic and Red Magic build. We check a Ludashi Bionic and now the open emulator and there's starting some permission and installing system files. Okay, there's some little bit time. If you have a low end device, there's a long time, but there's a done. And using a three dot and some burger, you can click and go to about section and you seeing the credit third party apps. There's some credits. Okay, avoid this, go to a setting and there's a box 64%. Click in a performance and there is a fax score present. Winlator use a fax score present for enhancing his emulator, and there's a very useful to gaming. Now click the performance and hit the check button, and now this is done. And if now we will container before the check display, seeing the monitor icon, click the monitor icon and you seeing the setting. And I check a wave gear, quite hit the button and the working very well. Then go to a back and create a container. There's a first section, you click and name anything what you want. I hit the name inzziyon and just inzziyon. And yeah, then next will we go to a screen size. I have a low end device, then I hit the screen size 854 and 4080, and this is a wine version. Click the wine version and there's a two option, Proton 9.0 ARM64 EC. Click them. Okay, then we will go graphics driver and we will go to setting. There's a Vulkan version 1.3. okay, the setting don't so much mess. There's a as it is, the graphic driver configuration just is fine. Okay, then okay it. And there's a main dx wrapper. Click dxvx plus vk3d3 and go to a setting. There's a vk3 feature level is 12 and 1. Click then. And then there's a dxvx version. There's so many options, but I have a Mali GPU. Then I click a 1.10.3 ARM64E as async because there's a good performance in my mobile. If you have a good device, you continue to 2.3 ARM64E6. okay, then enable async and then okay it. And there's a audio driver, choose a pulse audio and we go to down. And there's a win configuration, win components. Just go to our drivers and where you game store in your files, then select it and add. And we will go to a advanced setting and there's a box 64 present. Click a performance and also in the second option is performance, and third is a startup section. Click in the aggressive and there's a process intuitive. All check the all CPU button and little bit time and it will be created. So there is a Winlator interface and you seeing the and I will go to setting and choose a system controller panel, but there's a no such a thing in here. And we will one by one create a shortcut for all games. Shortcut is ready. We first check a GTA 4, and I check a GTA 4. There's a provide a fatal error. I don't know what the problem, and the GTA 4 is extremely light. I create a video, you can also check out. And yeah, that's not working. And we check a CS launcher, also 2 and 3 game, but there's not working like Hulk. And now we go to a Hollow Knight Silksong, and Hollow Knight Silksong little bit working, but not working very well. And they also crash. But now we have a so much low end game, and this game is work. Control timing is very best. And yeah, that's that's it, and the game is working. But there's a so much low end game. But I don't have any seeing some issue, graphical glitch and something. I tap so many times, but there's a working. Yeah, there's a working, bro. Okay, now that's a today video. If you have some facing issue in a Winlator, then comment it. And if you like the video, hit the like button, comment it. And you check also left right video, go and check out. Okay then, bye bye.